Ito, nakuha nyo yung objective na itabla yung serye. What went right this time na hindi nyo ginawa nung Game 3?
Ayun, I feel like yung ball movement namin, bandang huli, yun nga yung voice namin, so pinagkatiwalaan namin yung offense namin, so ayun, and sure, grabe ko rin na sabihin, hindi ka pwedeng talaga pahinga, so namin yung hot start nila, and then ayun.
And si Scotty nag-turn to from pass first, naging score first na siya ngayon. Ano masabi ba na nag-careerize siya ng 30 plus points?
Big time player. But more of that, tulong-tulong kami lahat kailangan.
And Game 5, syempre, 2-2 na tayo. It's gonna be a dogfight. What are you gonna be expecting sa laban nyo?
Yeah, one game at a time lang. Tingnan namin kung kilala na mag-improve every game. So yun, at the end of the day, lang talaga, tulong-tulong lang.